Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited to be sharing with you one of my recent favorites. We'll be making cinnamon sweet potato smoothie. It's beautiful, it's creamy, and it's delicious, so I hope you will stick around till the end of the video. To make this delicious smoothie, we are going to be using some frozen sweet potatoes, about 1.5 cups of low-fat milk, some frozen pineapples, some frozen bananas, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. As you can see, this recipe calls for very few ingredients that you may probably have at home. And what I love about this smoothie isn't just the flavor, but rather the amazing nutritional value, which means that it's a perfect breakfast smoothie or post-workout smoothie. And for the frozen sweet potatoes, if you can't find some at the frozen veggie section of the grocery store, you can just cook some sweet potatoes and freeze them until you need them. I'm going to start by adding my sweet potatoes. Then I'll add my pineapples. Next, I'll be adding my bananas. This will help to sweeten the smoothie. Feel free to use any milk you'd like to use. Then I'll add some vanilla extract, and lastly I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder to bring out that spiced sweet potato flavor. Now I'm just going to be blending everything until all the ingredients are perfectly combined. When I first made this recipe, I wasn't certain I was going to like it, but as soon as I took one sip, I loved it. It's so creamy, it's slightly sweet, and has a toasty flavor thanks to the cinnamon powder that I added. You can also add some oats to this recipe to make it a bit more filling. Now look at that. It looks absolutely divine. You need to try this recipe because it's so delicious, and I'm not even exaggerating. Now I'm just going to be pouring this in a glass. And I'm just going to be topping it with some non-dairy whipped cream that's made with coconut milk. Then I sprinkled some cinnamon powder on top of that. And voila, there you have it. It has such a beautiful color and it's quite filling. Thanks a lot for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.